Look who's here. Stephen Moore joins us this Monday morning. Steve, US controls Venezuelan oil. Does that mean cheap oil is coming, and when does it arrive?
Yeah, it does, Stuart. By the way, Happy New Year. Great to see your face again. So listen, Saudi, I mean, if you compare Saudi Arabia, which is by far the largest producer of oil, Venezuela has more oil, slightly more oil than Saudi Arabia does. So that's what we're talking about, another Saudi Arabia. And yet they haven't been producing at near the level Saudi Arabia has because of government incompetence over the last 5 or 6 years. In fact, their oil production has fallen by about 2/3. And so if you start drilling that oil, you could see the price of oil globally and in the United States go down to well below $50 a gallon. If that happens, we're talking about people at the pump, you ready for this, Stuart, paying $1.50 to $2 a gallon for gas. So this can happen, it should happen. And incidentally, think about this, Stuart. I mean, you've got a country with one of the most valuable assets in the world, worth tens of trillions of dollars, and yet 80% of their residents are in severe poverty. How does that happen?
And how do you object to the removal of Maduro by the American left?
Of course.
How can you object to that?
Well, Chavez and Maduro.
Yes, exactly.
Right. I mean, they've had 15 to 20 years of socialist left-wing governance, and look what it has done to their people. By the way, that's a warning sign to the people of New York City who just elected and put in power a democratic socialist who talks about the warm embrace of collectivism. Well, look at Venezuela, for goodness sakes. I mean, it isn't a very warm embrace.
I'm going to change the subject for a second, Steve. We've got a new study on, it says the positive effect of Trump's big, beautiful bill will offset any negatives from tariffs. The study suggests that most of the benefits go to top income earners. How do you see it?
That's ridiculous. That's ridiculous. First of all, by the way, it's actually a double hit for the economy, a positive hit for the economy, because not only will people be getting those refund checks starting probably tomorrow, the next time they get their paycheck, less money will be withheld from their paycheck thanks to the Trump beautiful bill. But the other story that a lot of these economists are missing is that tariffs are going to be coming down in 2026. They're not going up. Trump just announced last week reductions in tariffs. We're going to probably see some required reduction in tariffs because of this Supreme Court case. That means prices will stabilize. I think we're going to see inflation back to the 2% Fed target rate very soon. You can go to the bank on that one. Next month when you have me on, I guarantee you're going to have inflation headed back to that 2% level. So this is going to be a blockbuster year, Stuart. I'm here to tell you that.
And look at the market. Dow's up over 500 points. Maybe the market's telling us that too. Stephen Moore, good stuff. Great to see you, and we'll see you again real soon. Thanks so much, Steve.